So we're in the tack welding phase of our torque box here. This one is different than the last one in that we've improved on the design. Garris and company went through the trouble of making that velocity stack in there. And then we're moving this pipe to discharge close to the stack, just to keep the air moving in the right direction when you're at high powers and boost. So this is pretty cool. We got the reinforcements in there to prevent it from blowing itself to pieces. And we're still going to do some more reinforcements on the outside, top and bottom. This should be pretty cool. And then Garris did all the custom piping. This is the twin scroll kit that we offer. And then he did the intercooler pipes. I'm a big fan of not loose pipes, so we have retainers or straps on everything. Nice custom reservoir they made. And then what's really cool is this Cobb front mount. This new Cobb front mount for the VA is awesome. It's gigantic, and it fits behind the bumper without cutting anything, which blows my mind. And I mean, this core is like 4 inches thick. It's huge. And then I made this custom reservoir for the radiator with more capacity than the stock one, and that's the charge pipe to the torque box, as you see here. I'm super excited.